Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Alex. I'm so happy you are here today.
And hi, everyone. I'm Emma, and today's episode is special. Very special.
Why is it special, Emma?
Because today, you are not just listening. You are speaking.
That's right. Today we are doing shadowing practice. This is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking.
Alex, what is shadowing?
Great question. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and then you repeat it immediately. Like a shadow. You follow exactly what you hear.
So you are copying the pronunciation, the rhythm, the speed?
Exactly. Your ears listen, your mouth repeats, your brain learns.
I love shadowing. It helped me so much when I was learning English.
Today, we are going to talk about daily routines. We will say a sentence, then leave a pause for you to repeat. Ready, everyone?
Let's do it.
Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It is free and it helps us so much. Okay, let's go. Okay, everyone, listen carefully, then repeat.
Sentence 1.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Great. Now sentence 2.
I hit the snooze button 2 or 3 times.
Nice. Sentence 3.
Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
Sentence 4.
I splash cold water on my face to wake up.
Sentence 5.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
You are doing amazing. Let's keep going.
Sentence 6. The first thing I do after the bathroom is make coffee.
Sentence 7.
I cannot function without my morning coffee.
Same, Alex. Same.
Same. Sentence 8. While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone.
Sentence 9.
I look at messages, emails, and the news.
Sentence 10.
Then I make breakfast. I usually have eggs and toast.
10 sentences already. You're doing so well.
Now let's talk about getting ready for the day.
Sentence 11.
After breakfast, I take a shower.
Sentence 12.
I wash my hair and use soap.
Sentence 13.
Then I dry myself with a towel.
Sentence 14.
I get dressed in comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes. Like what?
Jeans and a t-shirt. Sentence 15. On weekdays, I wear casual clothes to work. Sentence 16. On weekends, I wear sweatpants and a hoodie. Sweatpants are the best. They really are. Sentence 17. Before I leave the house, I check that I have everything. Sentence 18. I need my phone, my wallet, and my keys. Sentence 19. I also need my bag and my water bottle. Sentence 20. Then I lock the door and leave my apartment. 20 sentences. You are building a whole story. Now let's talk about commuting. How we get to work or school. Sentence 21. I commute to work by subway.
What about you, Alex?
I walk. Sentence 22. I walk to work because my office is nearby.
Sentence 23.
My commute takes about 15 minutes on foot.
Sentence 24.
I like walking in the morning. It wakes me up.
Sentence 25.
Sometimes I listen to music or podcasts while I walk.
I do the same on the subway.
Sentence 26. On the subway, I usually find a seat and read. Sentence 27. Sometimes the train is crowded and I have to stand.
I hate when it is crowded.
Me too. Sentence 28. I arrive at work around 8:45 in the morning.
Sentence 29.
I say hello to my coworkers and start my day.
Sentence 30.
The first thing I do at work is check my emails.
30 sentences. You are amazing.
Now let's talk about the middle of the day. Work or study?
Sentence 31.
I work on my computer for most of the day.
Sentence 32.
I have meetings with my team on video calls.
Sentence 33.
I take a short break around 10:30 in the morning.
Sentence 34.
I make another cup of coffee and stretch my legs.
Sentence 35.
For lunch, I usually eat at my desk.
Sentence 36.
I bring lunch from home to save money.
Sentence 37.
Sometimes I eat leftovers from dinner the night before.
Sentence 38.
If the weather is nice, I eat outside.
Fresh air in the middle of the day is wonderful.
Sentence 40. In the afternoon, I have more meetings and tasks.
40 sentences. You are on fire.
Now, let's talk about the evening, after work.
Sentence 41.
I finish work around 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Sentence 42.
I take the subway back home.
Sentence 33.
When I get home, the first thing I do is change my clothes.
Sweatpants forever.
Forever. Sentence 45. Then I take a few minutes to decompress from the day.
Sentence 46.
I sit on the couch and just breathe for a moment.
After that, I start making dinner. I try to cook at home most nights. Cooking at home is healthier and cheaper than ordering food. But sometimes I order delivery when I am too tired. 50 sentences. That is a milestone.
Now, let's talk about relaxing and bedtime.
Sentence 51.
After dinner, I do the dishes.
The dishes. Nobody likes the dishes.
Nobody. Sentence 52. I wash the plates, cups, and silverware.
Sentence 53.
Then I have free time to do what I want.
Sentence 44.
I usually watch one episode of a TV show.
Sentence 55.
Sometimes I read a book before bed.
Sentence 56.
Reading helps me fall asleep more easily.
Sentence 57.
I try to avoid looking at my phone right before bed.
Sentence 58.
The blue light from screens can keep you awake.
Sentence 59.
I brush my teeth and wash my face one more time.
Sentence 60.
Then I get into bed and try to sleep.
60 sentences. You did the whole routine.
Okay, everyone, let's review the most important sentences from today.
Sentence 1.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Sentence 2.
I make coffee and eat breakfast.
Sentence 3.
I take a shower and get dressed.
Sentence 4.
I commute to work by subway or on foot.
Sentence 5.
I work on my computer and have meetings.
Sentence 6.
I eat lunch at my desk or outside.
Sentence 7.
I finish work around 5 o'clock.
Sentence 8.
When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes.
Sentence 9.
I cook dinner or order food.
Sentence 10.
After dinner, I do the dishes.
Sentence 11.
I watch TV or read a book to relax.
Sentence 12.
I go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
Perfect. You now have 12 sentences to describe your whole day.
Okay, everyone, now it is your turn. Use the sentences you just learned. Change them to your life.
What time do you wake up? How do you get to work or school? What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you do in the evening to relax?
See, you can do it. You just spoke about your own daily routine.
That is the magic of shadowing. You learn the patterns, then you make them yours.
Alex, how often should people do shadowing?
Great question. Here are my tips.
Tip 1. Do shadowing every day. Even 5 minutes is good.
Short daily practice is better than one long session.
Tip 2. Use headphones. It helps you hear the sounds clearly.
Good headphones make a big difference.
Tip 3. Don't worry about mistakes. Just repeat. Keep going.
Perfection is not the goal. Practice is the goal.
Tip 4. Record yourself. Listen back. Compare with the original.
This is a powerful way to improve.
Tip 5. Shadow the same audio many times. Repetition is your friend.
The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes.
Tip 6. Start slow. Then try to match the speed.
You can slow down YouTube videos to 0.75 speed.
These tips will help you improve so fast.
Okay, everyone, let's review the key vocabulary from today.
Number 1. Shadowing. Listening and repeating immediately.
Number 2, routine. The things you do every day.
Number 3. Commute. Traveling from home to work.
Number 4, decompress. To relax after a busy day.
Number 5. Leftovers. Food from yesterday that you eat today.
Number 6, snooze button. The button you press to sleep a little more.
Try to use these words today. Practice saying them out loud.
And here is our question for you. Write your answer in the comments below, in English.
What is the first thing you do every morning?
Even one sentence is great practice. We read every comment.
For me, the first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
For me, I hit the snooze button. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English. Shadowing together is even more fun.
Thank you so much, Emma, for being here today. You always bring such great energy.
Thank you, Alex. Shadowing is my favorite practice method. I hope everyone tries it.
And thank you, everyone, for practicing with us today. You spoke English, you repeated, you shadowed. That is how you improve.
Keep shadowing every day. Your pronunciation will get better. Your confidence will grow.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing. Your English is getting better every single day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.